Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today, well, got a taste test video, and I'm taste testing something that my nephew asked me to try, and it is Kettle brand potato chips, the Pepperoncini chips. So I'm gonna give these a try. If any of y'all who ordered Papa John's pizza, the pepperoncini is the pepper that they put in with your pizza. I don't know any other pizza company that does that, but we're gonna get that. Give these chips a try and see if I like them. I like those little peppers though. Well, let's see. Being that they're kettle cooked, they should be really good. Okay, here we go. Tastes pretty good. Good flavor. Don't taste exactly like the pepper, but there is a little bit of pepper taste in there. I do recommend these. They're a very good chip. So, man, they're very crunchy too because kettle cooked. Pepper taste is in there. Alright. Well guys, you know the Kettle brand potato chips, the Pepperoncini, I do recommend them. You know, and again, we could use a little bit more of the pepper taste to it, but it is good. So, okay guys, well, comment below what you think. If you've had these, we got these at the grocery store. So, and the chip around with the chips. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do taste test videos like this. I also do a cooking video. I do a cooking video that comes out every Saturday. I also do some sightseeing adventure videos. Well guys, I'll see you next video, and you enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm gonna finish up these chips here. It tastes good.